Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Voice Memos and going straight to Recently Deleted. This folder holds items for 30 days. Once there, locate the memo by name, date, or duration. Use the list or waveform preview. Tap the memo to preview so you confirm it's the right file. That avoids restoring duplicates. Make sure your device stays awake while you act, because restoring needs an uninterrupted session. If you see multiple candidates, note timestamps to choose the most complete version. Once you've identified the memo, tap Recover and Confirm. This moves it back to the main Voice Memos list. You restore first, then edit, so if you need to trim noise or cut a long section, do that after the file returns. Make sure Voice Memos syncs with iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, iCloud, and enable Voice Memos if it's off. This ensures copies exist across devices. If recovery seems slow, close the app and reopen to refresh the list. If Recently Deleted is empty, try iCloud. Or another synced iPhone, files often persist on another device. You can also restore from an iCloud or Finder backup made before deletion. Remember, full backups overwrite current data, so backup first. If things go wrong, reboot your iPhone, check for an iOS update, and sign out, then back into iCloud. This often forces resync. Finally, if nothing works, stop using the phone to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.